The 2027 Honda Pilot comes in 6 trim levels, and choosing the wrong one could cost you thousands of dollars in features you actually need, or thousands more on upgrades you'll never use. If you're trying to figure out exactly which Pilot is worth your money, this breakdown is going to save you a trip to the dealership and a lot of confusion. Most buyers assume all trim levels are just cosmetic upgrades, but the differences between some of these Pilot trims go much deeper than a new set of wheels or a fancier badge. Number 6. Sport. The Sport is where the 2027 Pilot lineup begins, and it's arriving with a stronger foundation than you might expect at this price. Starting around $44,000, it's going to be powered by the same 3.5-liter V6, producing 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque that runs through the entire lineup, mated to a 10-speed automatic. What's particularly notable here is the standard technology package. A 12.3-inch touchscreen is going to be part of the base equipment, alongside a digital instrument panel, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Google built-in services. That's a meaningful starting point, and for anyone who has dealt with a cold steering wheel on a January morning, the Sport is going to take care of that too. Heated, power-adjustable front seats and remote engine start mean the cabin is ready before you even open the door. Tri-zone climate control keeps everyone comfortable front to back, and ambient interior lighting adds a polished finish to what is ultimately an accessible entry price. Front-wheel drive is standard, with all-wheel drive available as an option. Honda Sensing Driver Assistance is going to come on every Pilot, covering automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, and driver attention warning. 8-passenger seating with a second-row bench rounds things out. The Sport handles the fundamentals cleanly, but spend just $2,000 more, and the next trim turns a capable SUV into something that actually feels premium to live with every day. Number 5. EXL. The EXL is shaping up to be probably the best value in the entire 2027 Honda Pilot lineup. Starting around $46,000, it builds on the Sport in ways that actually change how you'll use the vehicle daily. The biggest upgrade is leather upholstery, a meaningful step up in interior feel without jumping to a significantly higher price point. Beyond the materials, think about what a long family road trip actually looks like. Phones dying, kids in the third row unable to plug anything in, and a driver who can't find their wireless charger. The EXL is going to solve all of that directly. A wireless device charger, USB outlets in the third row, and an enhanced center console come standard at this level. Front and rear parking sensors are also making an appearance here, along with rear door sunshades and a 2-position memory system for the driver's seat and mirrors. The Cabin Talk in-cabin intercom is another practical addition, which is useful for actually communicating with third-row passengers without raising your voice. All-wheel drive remains optional, keeping the base cost manageable. For most buyers who want a well-rounded family SUV without overcommitting on price, the EXL is the sweet spot. But if you're someone who occasionally heads off the beaten path, the trim coming up next was built with you specifically in mind. Number 4. Touring. The Touring arrives at around $53,000 and takes a different direction from the trims below it, leaning into premium comfort rather than off-road ambition. One of the standout changes here is the 12-speaker Bose audio system, replacing the 9-speaker setup found lower in the lineup. The second-row seating arrangement on the Touring is worth highlighting as well. Anyone who has tried to use a 3-row SUV for both a full family load and a hardware store run knows the problem. You're either moving people or moving cargo, never both easily. The Touring solves that with a bench seat featuring a removable and stowable center section. Pull it out, fold it under the floor, and suddenly you have real cargo flexibility without sacrificing the 8-passenger option when you need it. A 360-degree camera system is also joining the package, making parking in tight spaces significantly less stressful. 20-inch wheels and the Bose audio round out the premium feel. The Touring is all-wheel drive standard, and it's a strong comfort package at this price. But the next trim on this list takes a completely different approach, and for a certain kind of buyer, it's going to be the most exciting one in the entire lineup. Number 3. Trail Sport. At around $52,000, the Trail Sport is positioned as the Pilot's outdoor-oriented trim, and it's going to bring some genuinely useful hardware to back up that positioning. The suspension is going to be off-road tuned with a 1.0-inch lift, paired with 18-inch wheels wearing all-terrain tires. Underbody steel skid plates are going to protect what's underneath when the terrain gets rough. An off-road stability management system and a trail driving mode give the driver more control when pavement runs out. This is aimed at mild to moderate off-roading. It won't be competing with a Wrangler popular on a rock trail, but for forest roads, gravel paths, and the kind of terrain most adventure-seeking families actually encounter, it handles it well. Most people don't think about what happens when a camping trip runs longer than planned, and everyone needs to charge something. The Trail Sport has a household-style power outlet in the second row, so running a small fan, charging a camera, or keeping a cooler going isn't a problem. A panoramic sunroof, second-row captain's chairs, a heated steering wheel, and a surround view camera system round out the package. The synthetic leather interior comes with orange stitching, which is a visual reminder that this trim has a distinct personality. All-wheel drive is standard and non-negotiable here. Fuel economy drops to around 18 over 23 miles per gallon compared to the Sport and EXL, but for buyers who genuinely use their SUV beyond paved roads, that's a reasonable trade-off. If the Trail Sport is about capability, though, the next trim is about something else entirely, and it's where the Pilot starts to feel genuinely luxurious. Number 2. Elite. The Elite is about to start at around $55,000, and it builds on the Touring's comfort-first approach with a set of upgrades that address convenience and visibility in meaningful ways. The most significant addition is the head-up display. Glancing down at the speedometer or navigation while driving, even briefly, pulls your attention away from the road more than most people realize. The Elite's head-up display projects speed, navigation, and key alerts directly onto the windshield, keeping your eyes where they belong. It's the kind of feature that drivers quickly wonder how they went without. Ventilated front seats are also arriving here, a feature that matters far more than buyers expect until they're sitting in a hot vehicle in August. Heated outboard second-row seats extend the comfort further back. Rain-sensing wipers remove one more minor frustration from the daily routine, and a heated steering wheel ties the package together. At this level, all-wheel drive is standard. For buyers spending long hours behind the wheel, whether commuting or hauling the family across state lines, the Elite's combination of ventilated seats, head-up display, and Bose audio makes a clear case. In terms of driver-focused comfort, it's the most complete daily driver in the Pilot lineup. The Black Edition, though, takes everything the Elite offers and wraps it in something no other Pilot trim can replicate. Number 1. Black Edition. The Black Edition tops the lineup at around $57,000, and it's going to arrive as the most visually distinctive Pilot in the range. Built on the Elite's already strong feature set, the Black Edition adds 20-inch gloss black wheels and exclusive interior and exterior trim treatments that set it apart at a glance. Every Elite feature carries over. The head-up display, ventilated front seats, heated rear outboard seats, Bose audio, and standard all-wheel drive are all included. The Black Edition is going to be the choice for buyers who want everything the Pilot has to offer wrapped in the most aggressive presentation available. The difference between the Elite and the Black Edition isn't about capability, it's about character. For those extra $2,000, you're buying a look that no other Pilot trim can match. What the 2027 Honda Pilot lineup is really showing is that Honda has built a trim structure where every level has a clear purpose. The Sport gets you into a genuinely well-equipped 3-row SUV without overextending your budget. The EXL closes the gap between entry-level and premium in a way that's hard to beat at its price point. The Touring brings flexible seating and upgraded audio for buyers who want real comfort on longer journeys. The Trail Sport breaks from the rest of the lineup entirely, offering the only path to off-road hardware and all-terrain capability in the Pilot family. The Elite stacks driver-focused features, ventilated seats, head-up display, and rear seat heating that genuinely change the daily ownership experience. And the Black Edition delivers the complete package in the most distinctive visual presentation the Pilot has ever offered. The Pilot is an excellent family vehicle, but many families don't actually need the third row. For them, the CR-V works just fine. And if you're one of them, make sure to check out our video about trim levels offered for 2027. Known for refinement and practicality, the CR-V also comes with several options that cover a wide range of customers.